In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook group, and I'll be using desktop version to demonstrate it. So once you are on your home page, come to groups, and here you will see create new group. So click on create new group, and it will bring this interface where you will be required to enter the name of the group. For example, let me enter GeoJ GIS Solution as the name of the group. Then here choose privacy. If I click on the drop down, you can see public or private. If you choose public, anyone can see who is in the group and what they post. And if you choose private, only members can see who is in the group and what they post. And also, if you choose private, you can't change it to public later. But if you choose public, you can choose to change it to private later. So let me go with the public. Then here you can invite your friends, which is optional. If I click here, it will bring suggestion of my friends. So if you click on it, it will send an invite to that friends to join the new group. And you can invite as many friends as possible. Just click on their name and invite will be sent to them. Once you have sent an invite to your friends, you can see the preview of the group here. It is public and the visibility is to anyone anyone can find this group on Facebook. So this is the preview. Then after this, you can now click on create to create the group. So by clicking on create, the group will be created just like this. And here the group is created. You can change the profile picture by clicking on editing, and you can choose from group photos, choose from illustration, and you can upload your own picture. If I click on upload photos, I will navigate to my folder and select a photo. Let me select this and click on open. Yes, it has been uploaded. Then you can click and drag to adjust it and click on save changes. Yes, it has been done. And here if I scroll down, you can still do a lot of things here. For example, you can invite more people to join the group, and you can add a cover photo. You can also add a description. So I want to add a description to this group. Let me just paste the description of this group. After entering the description, click on save. The description has been saved. And also you can create a post. Maybe you want to create your first post on the group, you can do that. So essentially, this is how to create a group on Facebook. Thank you for watching.